First, this is the power on state. This is the oil pump starting. Oil pump starts. This is the right axis rising. The right shaft rises and falls. This is the left axis rising and falling. This is the lower shaft. Up and down. This is the forward and reverse rotation of the upper shaft. This is the tipping open. It's the opening and closing of the guidehead device. This is the automatic program start. This is the automatic program. Pause. This is the automatic program reset. These are the function buttons. This is the main page. This is the automatic program interface. This is the manual program interface. This is the program editing interface. The buttons below are not used. The following are not used. And then the automatic program. This is the automatic program interface. This is the logo. The state of tipping over. The red and yellow light must be on before the action can be performed. These actions can be performed. This is the position display of the left roller. The position display of the right roller. The position of the lower shaft. The rotation position display. This is the manual mode. In manual mode, only in this mode can you press these buttons. Then, you can set the value here. For example, I can set the value to 250. When it reaches 250, it will stop here. This side is the same. Here is the rotation of the point and linkage. The jogging mode means it only runs when pressed. The interlock is that it will run continuously. This is a state of the manual operation panel. This is the emergency stop button. Then, after clicking on the automatic program, there is a programming interface. First is editing material alignment. Editing material alignment. There are several parameters for editing alignment. The first one is to check the feeding direction. It has left feed or right feed, which means it enters from the left or the right at that time. If it comes in from the left, the right roller is the feeding roller. You need to set the position of this roller. After setting this position, for example, it rises to the position of 250. Before you load the material, it will rise to a height. Then, the material gap. This gap is okay. This gap is fine. This gap can be filled with any number. For example, 20, 12, which is a little higher than the plate thickness. For a 5 mm plate, I can set it to 10. The feeding time. This is how long it takes. After the sheet enters, it will wait for a while. It doesn't matter. This is generally after the start is to put the board on. After starting, you can set it to 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. If you think it's too slow, you can adjust it. This is equivalent to a program setting before the preparation of materials. When it comes to the circle, edit the circle. Click on this program. Then there is every step here. Every step. For example, plate thickness. I set the plate thickness to 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. Then, the roller lowering position. The roller lowering position is the position where the roller goes down. The material withdrawal length. The position of the roller entering the length. These positions are the same as the file I sent you yesterday. The workpiece for each step. And the steps of each step. What does this mean? But each of these values, the values need to be adjusted according to the actual situation. To adjust them, just test it first. For example, the length of the turret. I need to measure the length of this workpiece. I'll enter 2000. The roller lifting position. These positions need to be programmed according to the actual situation.